Welcome to the Rescheck blog. Are you getting this error message while creating your Rescheck? Follow along with www.rescheck.info to see how to fix it and what might be the issue. You can find this blog post at www.rescheck.info. Go to the Rescheck blog, scroll about halfway down the page. Read along. Once you click on the blog post, you will see this is about, in Rescheck Web, an issue getting your PDF. At the Rescheck blog, we like to keep our architects, engineers, contractors, and DIY Rescheck creators abreast of any happenings that we see within the Department of Energy's Rescheck Web and Rescheck desktop software. We're not the creators or the maintainers of Rescheck Web or Rescheck desktop, but merely users of the software. When we see errors or items within Rescheck software behaving abnormally, we simply make a note of the error and try to share it with our Rescheck blog users as soon as we can, for free. On a recent project, we experienced the error above. It was displayed as a red line across the top of the Rescheck software, and you can see an example below of the screenshot we received. We received this error on a project. Our backup plan in the event of a Rescheck outage is to use Rescheck desktop software. It does not include all of the IECC energy codes, but now does include IECC 2018. The main one that Rescheck desktop software is missing is IECC 21. If you need IECC 2021 Rescheck during an outage, you can get all your data points ready to enter into the software, and once the print a PDF functionality returns, you can print and download your Rescheck PDF error-free instantly. How long does a Rescheck Web outage usually last? You can read through our previous Rescheck error articles and see that a typical Rescheck software outage can last from 12 to 18 hours. Are they pre-announced? We have noticed some pre-announcing of Rescheck Web outages, but we did not see any indication that this particular Rescheck Web outage was upcoming. Will you let us know the full functionality of Rescheck Web returns to having PDF download functionality? Yes. We always keep our Rescheck blog readers up to date with the latest Rescheck Web and Rescheck desktop happenings free of charge. Check back at www.rescheck.info often, and if you need a Rescheck, you can email us your PDF plans, job site address, and square footage, and we'll get you taken care of. Our email is service@rescheck.info. If you need a Rescheck created for you, simply scroll to the very top of the page, click the blue sandwich icon in the upper right, click Buy Now. First item in the store is the Rescheck. That's what you want. Add it to the cart. You're ready to go. Thanks again for listening to the Rescheck blog.